Do you have an ugly old carport that you want to turn into a garage or a room maybe? Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I turned my ugly old carport into a fully functional garage workshop. And if you're new to the channel, I need you to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn your little bell on. Because here on the channel, we're all about those DIY home improvement projects and helping you guys add a little bit of value to your home. That being said, my name's Kurt and you're watching Project Lift. Before we jump right into the build video, I'll give you a quick rundown on the structure. If you want to enclose your carport, first thing you need to do is put some sidewalls up. You can either choose from steel framing or timber. I decided to run with timber. We used 90 by 45 timber framing, which was joined to the existing structure of the carport. We then wrapped the timber framing in building wrap to prevent moisture seeping onto the inside, and then used fibre cement sheet for the outside walls, also known as blue board. Now for the outside wall cladding, I had to get a little bit creative because I didn't want an ugly looking garage joining onto the house. It also sort of had to mesh well with my future plans for like the exterior of the house. So on the right hand side I found some Merbo timber fence panels, and for the left hand side I went with some stone cladding, which turned out pretty good in the end. Alright, so enough of this, let's jump into the build video. Well, that wraps things up. If you got any value out of this video, please let me know down below. I need your feedback to make better videos. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing?